Oke, assalamualaikum warahmatullahi wabarakatuh. Hello guys. Hello, yeah. My name is Kegan Adha Fernando, and you can call me Mr. Kegan. Yeah, Mr. Kegan. And now, uh, I will be a teacher, and I will teaching in TOTD event. Yeah, and now we are will learn about discovering words about nature. Okay, without any further ado, let's do it. Okay, let's discover words. Okay, guys. As we know, guys, if uh, if if any place and this place have so many one what's one animals, one special animals, and but this place only this animal, only one type animal. uh, the name the name place that the name call it by habitat. Habitat. Okay, guys. Can you repeat after me? Okay. Habitat. Habitat. Okay. The example of habitat like tropical rainforests of Central and South America are the natural habitat of birds called macaws. Okay, that's for habitats. Okay, next. Okay, the next we have words. The pronounced words is endangered. Endangered. Okay, guys, listen to me and repeat after me. Endangered. Endangered. Okay. Who's know what's the means of endangered? Terancam punah. The means is dangerous is terancam punah. You know this what's animal this? Yes. Penyu. Turtle. Sea turtle. Sea turtle that animal get endangered because the population so little in the world, on the world. Okay, the example sentence is the sea turtle is an endangered species due to habitat destruction. Okay, next. Okay, next we have words. The pronoun is migrate. Migrate. Okay, listen to me and repeat after me. Migrate. 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 And someone you know what's the means of migrate? Ismail? Yes, migrasi. Migrasi is moving place, like I can say. If if some animals or yeah, some animals get what feelings they want dangerous or anything, uh, the animals will migrate. Okay, the example sentence is the monarch's butterfly migrate to warmer regions during the winter months. Okay, next words. Uh, okay, the next word is pollinate. Pollinate. Okay, listen to me and repeat after me. Pollinate. 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 Okay. Do you know what the means of pollinate? Penyerbukan. Good, Rasha. Ahsanta. Okay, the example sentence is bees collect nectar in pollinate flowers as they move from one blossom to another. Okay, next. Okay, what's that? The last or not? Oh, no, 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 no. Okay, the next sentence is ecosystem. Ecosystem. Okay, guys, listen to me and repeat after me. Ecosystem. 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 Ecosystem, a community of living organisms interacting with their environment. Yeah, like place for fish or animal sea, like that. Yeah. The example sentence is the coral reef ecosystem is home to a diverse range of fish, crabs, and other marine life. Okay, next, bro. Okay. The next sentence is conservation. Conservation. Okay. Let's listen to me and repeat after me. Conservation. Conservation. Did you know what the means of conservation? No? What's okay? Yes, perlindungan alam. Like perlindungan alam. Conservation, act of protecting and preserving natural resource and wildlife. Okay. Conservation, the means is perlindungan alam. If there is some flora or fauna that's get endangered, it's get conservation for pemerintah. How to say pemerintah? Government, yes. He gets he gets conservation from government. The example sentence is, we support the conservation of the endangered for people. Pau Pau Chuk Sit Banking. Pau Pau. Yeah, I don't know what is Pau Pau, but there's the sentence from the sentence. Okay. Okay, I think that's the last words. Okay. Now I will ask to Abil. What are you doing, Abil? Huh? Please. Please make a sentence from the migrate. Without that. Oh.
Every summer. Uh, uh, Suatu saya beberapa several bird migrate to the mountain. Migrate to mountain. Nah, like that. Yeah, because it's migrate. It's habitat because the habitat in the mountain every summer. Okay.
Thank you, Abil. Thank you. Okay, the next student is Opang, please. Come forward. Give me sentence about no ecosystem.
The elephant ecosystem the ecosystem in my in IDN, it's very good.
Okay, can I think? Yeah. Okay. I think Opang will be the last. And now I have this. I have question. Okay. Complete this sentence. The forest is the of many different species, including elephant and zebras. Okay. The choices is A. Ecosystem, B. Endangered, C. Habitat, or D. Biodiversity.
D.
Who's choose A? Raise the hand. No? No one?
Me.
B. Or B. C. D.
Me.
Okay. The answers will be the last. Okay. Complete this sentence. The tiger is an blah 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 blah. Species do blah 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 blah.
Danger.
What? A, B, C, D.
Danger.
D. Okay. Okay, the next is. This will be the last.
Pollination.
What is it?
Polygam.
Oi,
Pollination.
you.
Yes.
A, B, C, or D? A. Okay. Let's. The answer is. Oh, the first question is C, and the second question is. The answer is D. What's that? Endangered. And the last question is pollination. Okay, please. Slap. Okay, I think that's all. Thank you for your attention and sorry for my mistake. The last I say wassalamualaikum warahmatullahi wabarakatuh.